Okay, so today we're gonna do just a simple headshot tutorial. I feel like it's a lot simpler than, a lot of people make it up to be complicated. It really doesn't require a whole lot of gear. In fact, today we're just gonna use a one light setup with a reflector. We'll go over a few just quick posing tips and stuff, but on average, whenever I do a one headshot session, it takes no more than 15 minutes. Well, sometimes it takes longer because I talk too much. Anyways, let's just get started and I'll show you guys what I do. Okay, so what I've got here is my Nikon D810. I've got a Photox Strato TTL. I went ahead and rigged these so that I've got one right over here. So this is like a 5-foot octabox and it's on a 320V, so it's a 320 watt power. I've got it cranked all the way up to full power. First thing is I've got this off to, it's kind of hard to tell from this direction, but I've got it off to her left, kind of a 45-degree angle. And then over here on this side, I've got a fill reflector here. I just didn't feel like setting up an extra light. Let's see what we get. So from what you guys can see, it's really just a few shots, just turning the head and all that kind of stuff, changing the body posture a little bit. For the most part, it's fairly simple. This is the setup that I use primarily all the time here in the studio. Okay, so what I ended up using was a Nikon 50mm f1.8. I had it set to ISO 100. My shutter speed was 1/60th of a second. At aperture is f14, so and pretty much nailed it right on the mark. I didn't have to do any adjustments later on in Lightroom. So I hope you guys were able to learn something from today. It's a pretty simple setup, and what I'm going to do is link in the description all the different pieces of equipment that I was using, and I'll also again list in the different camera settings. Other than that, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment down in the comment box below. Make sure to like this video if you learned something. Also, if you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe. And also you can follow me on Twitter at Dustin Meyer. And also on Instagram, it's dmeyerphoto. And then Facebook, again, Dustin Meyer. But that's pretty much it. So again, thanks guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.